back to Piano Lessons to You tutorials. We're learning the song Centuries sung by Fall Out Boy, and we're going to be starting in C position. We do have an F sharp in the song. Also, you can find the free sheet music in the description of the video. So we're going to start the song on E, making sure to play the F sharp. Then we're going to want to switch our finger to our thumb, finger number 1, because we have to hit this high B by the 3 black keys. And then we're going to need to play the D next to it on the next section. Then you can kind of go back to your C position. Switch to your thumb on that last E. Okay, then you're going to go down from there, because it's that high B. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to get more videos just like this.